My name is Mike Rapetti. I'm the Chief Information Officer for the Habit Burger Grill. The Habit Burger was founded in 1969 in Santa Barbara. In the past 50 years, we've grown that single location to more than 250 across the country. The Habit Burger Grill is a fast casual concept, which means we sit in the sweet spot between casual dining and quick service. Our food's a little bit more elevated than the traditional fast food restaurant, but at the same time, our customers know that they can come in at lunch and they can get a great value, a nice quality sandwich or burger for a good price. Because of that, our lunch rushes get busy, our dinner rushes get busy, and we have challenges with both getting orders into the kitchen so the customers don't have to wait in line too long, but also once those orders get to the kitchen, how can we get those out in an expedited way? Here at The Habit, we're always looking for ways to improve the guest experience. Where we can, we like to leverage technology, whether it be systems in the back of house that make our cooks more efficient, or creating various order entry modes for our guests to interact with the brand however they want. One of the ways we've tried to improve upon the guest experience is by introducing guest ordering kiosks powered by Elotouch touchscreens. At The Habit, we recognize the importance of our guests being able to use our brand however they feel fit. Whether that be through standing in line, ordering on our mobile app, or using our guest-facing kiosk, these are all ways we strive to improve upon the guest experience.
Guests love the new self-order kiosks. The ability to customize their order to their own satisfaction and skip the line is really beneficial to them and to us as a whole. Hi, my name is Chris Folka. I'm a district manager here with the Habit Burger Grill. Overall, the staff's feedback has been very positive. This solution has allowed us to uphold our high quality standards while still maintaining efficiency and throughput in our back of the house kitchens. Some additional benefits have been efficiency in training and getting our staff up to speed and where they need to be. Overall, this has been extremely beneficial to operations and just the guest experience in general.